hitting that boy with the fire. Ooh, nigga that nourish me, yeah. I'm hitting that bitch with some fire. Ooh, he ain't even nourish me, yeah.
Yo, what is good, YouTube? Frank here with a brand new video, and today we have week 16 of Supreme Spring Summer 2018 drop. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'll explain that, I guess, as the video goes on. I have tried to make the videos. Damn, my voice cracked. It's just that I just really didn't like the way they were coming out. I was like rushed. I actually, well, what happens is the drop is at 9, right? And usually I have to be at work at 9:45, so it doesn't give me a lot of time to edit. And then at the same time, like, I don't know, I just really, like, right now I feel like I'm talking too soft. That's because everyone's like kind of sleeping. I don't want to be too loud or whatever. But I'm talking into this mic right here, so hopefully it sounds pretty good, at least. I mean, somewhat decent. But yeah, here I'm gonna show you guys the drop list real fast. Obviously, we have the Northface collaboration, and then a restock of this like little zipper. And I know everyone's been like shitting on the collab. Well, not shitting on it, but like pretty much nobody likes it. But I mean, at the end of the day, this is still like a super hyped item. So I am gonna be going for this jacket right here, the snakeskin. And I have been wanting like the Supreme snakeskin shorts for a while, so I do fuck with the snakeskin camo. I might have previously said that I didn't like it, but you know, I fuck with it, so I am gonna be going for this jacket. Let's see how much time we got. Yeah, 8:59. Yeah, okay, cool. So yeah, now we just wait. Also, another thing, I have been like playing like a lot of Fortnite. That's kind of what like's been taking up a lot of time, so I feel like I want to make more videos, and then like I just get stuck like doing that shit on my free time, so that's like my fault. But yeah, anyways, let's see, what time is it? It's gonna be in sweat. I think I'm just gonna go new, honestly. I think I'm gonna have to go new because our jackets, here we go, 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 here we go. That was, I think this might be, fingers crossed. Yeah, and everyone said this collaboration was ugly or whatever, so at the end of the day, people are still going to want this jacket. Like, regardless of what everybody else says, like, people are still going to want it. And there we go, I got the jacket. Let's go back and see if it's sold out. Let's see if people actually thought it was ugly or if they were just fucking around. But the gray one actually has sold out. This one is actually still in stock. It says it's in stock. Let's try and add to cart. So the green one's actually still here. The gray one sold out. I like the green one a lot more. I don't know why. This one just seemed kind of boring to me, but you know, I just like to try new colors. Yeah, so this one's actually still here. This one's probably gonna go for more then, in that case. But it looks like it's still here. Let's go back. Still there, still there. The pants are obviously still there. What is this? Where's the Zippo? Backpack's still there. I have no idea what this is actually. It's like a little pouch. Let's see. And here's that Zippo. Sold out right away, of course. But yeah, okay, the green jacket is now sold out. $258. Yeah, not bad. So pretty easy cop. It would have probably been harder for me to go for this one, so I'm pretty glad I went for the green. I do like the color better than the black personally, but you know, that's everyone's choice. Probably one of the easiest Northface collaboration drops to date. I have tried to go for them before in the past, and oftentimes like the website would lag. This time I had no issues getting through, so that was good. I am gonna have to wrap it up here though. So sorry if I sound kind of like dull or whatever. Very early in the morning and everyone's sleeping, so I'm trying to be quiet talking to this mic. But anyways, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Hopefully the video is still good. But yeah, that's gonna be it, I guess. So yeah, look out for more videos. Also, if you guys want to play with me, like I said, I was playing a lot of Fortnite. I'm gonna leave my PSN in the description below. I did have some dude play with me only once. I have gotten invitations, but sometimes I play with my homies, so if you see me online, you can go ahead and join. and then we can play. So yeah, PSN will be in the description. We'll play some Fortnite if you want to. But other than that, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.